What if the typewriter on your desk was listening to every word you said? In 1943, deep inside Nazi-occupied France, Allied spies needed a way to send coded messages without arousing suspicion. Their solution? A perfectly ordinary typewriter. Except inside, engineers had hidden a compact, fully functional radio transmitter, known as the Type-X Phantom. This device looked and sounded like any office machine, but its keys could be used to tap out secret signals, broadcasting vital intelligence right under the enemy's nose. Only a select few operatives knew which typewriters were the real deal. If discovered, the consequences were fatal. Yet remarkably, the Type-X Phantom was never detected by Nazi counterintelligence. Its signals helped coordinate resistance, sabotage, and even saved entire towns from destruction. Today, just one authentic example survives in a private collection. The full story of the Phantom remains classified, but its legacy is a chilling reminder. Sometimes the most dangerous secrets are hiding in plain sight. Would you have noticed? Visuals are dramatizations, fact fusion. One fact, one world, daily.